Well, hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day wherever you are. And today's video is actually going to be a hair video. And for once, it's not going to be me destroying my hair, frying it with a new color, which is a nice refreshing change. So I'm really excited. Today we're going to try out the Zion Health Scalp and Hair Scrub. This is the Pear Blossom scent. It smells real good. So today we're going to try this product out. There's a lot of claims about it. I want to see if it actually works. This video is sponsored by Zion Health, but I haven't been asked to say anything particularly good or anything about it. It's just my first experience trying this product out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, before we get started, all stuff on this channel is cruelty free, and also this hair scrub is cruelty free, it's vegan, it's also a green product, and all that good jazz. I've been trying to use more like natural products in my daily routine, and I actually have a lot more Zion Health products in my house than I realized. Like, I went to this pamphlet that came with it about healing from the earth, because that's what they use, is a lot of natural clays and healing things that have been used for centuries. And I've been looking through this little thing that came with the hair scrub, and I have a bunch of these products. Like, I've tried their natural clay deodorants. That's what I think of when I first think of Zion Health. They have so many more products, but I usually think of their natural clay deodorants. I've tried both the mini ones and the full size. I really like them. I also already had these in my collection too, which was the Clay Bright toothpaste. I didn't realize this was Zion Health until I like really looked at it, because I saw it in the pamphlet. It was like, oh, I have that. And I also have their charcoal clay masks. It's actually one of the only charcoal clay masks I have that are easy to get out of the tube and not like stuck in there. Like, sometimes the charcoal stuff gets kind of thick. This one's actually really squishy and easy to use. So I already had some of their products, and I've tried their deodorant before too, so I was excited to try something else from them that I hadn't before or anything like that. This also has no sulfates and no parabens in it. It's more of a natural product, so none of that harsh stuff. And it's also, since there's no sulfates or parabens, if your hair is color treated like mine, it's not going to strip the color out of it like a lot of other products. So a lot of the products in the Zion Health line focus on like the clay aspect. They use 100% pure calcium, I'm going to try to pronounce this word, Moronite clay. I'm really bad at pronunciation, but I'll leave the word on the screen for you. It's derived from Palm Springs, California, so it's more like a local product, and I'm really excited to try out this hair scrub because I haven't tried like a detoxifying like scalp thing in such a long time. I'm always like kind of the person who just uses non-sulfate, non-paraben, cruelty-free like shampoo, conditioner, and then like a leave-in conditioner, and that's it. So I never really like get excess product out of my hair, so I'm excited. I'm a little bit nervous just because like I'm not used to trying new hair products, but I'm also just really excited. So I know I said we're just getting into it, but I just want to give a couple notes about the hair scrub because I feel like I should get into like what's inside of it to make it like detoxify your hair. So it's supposed to be like really good for moisturizing your hair and leaving a nice healthy shine because it has argan and sweet almond oil in it. It doesn't smell like almonds. I personally don't like the smell of almonds, but it doesn't smell like almonds. You know, I'm just saying it just has argan and sweet almond oil in it, so it leaves like a nice shine to your hair. It's also supposed to pull out excess product buildup and kind of like make your hair like less clumped up with extra product that like washing it doesn't always take out. It's really going to get in there. You can also scrub it towards your scalp, and it might help with reducing dandruff or scalp acne if you have those kind of problems. So now let's go ahead and try it out. Alright, didn't expect to see me looking like this, did ya? Okay, so we're going to try this out. I'm excited, also a little bit nervous just because I never try new hair products, it feels like, and when I do, it's something like a heat protectant spray or something. So I'm excited to try like something that's going to detoxify my hair because this is supposed to have like vitamin E in it, and it's good for people who have dry or over processed hair, and that 100% is me. Even when I get like an oily scalp, my ends are still so dry and my hair is completely over processed. But it's kind of the thing like when you have colorful hair. So we're going to try this out. I kind of want to smell it. Is that really weird? Because it says Pear Blossom and I really want to smell it. So let's take the seal off. And you know your girl's not going to waste any products, so anything on the seal I'm going to put right back in the container. Okay. It smells good. It kind of smells like something my mom used to put in her hair when I was younger. It smells very familiar, and I cannot tell you what it smells like. It definitely smells like another hair product I've smelled, but it's been so long that I can't tell you what it smells like. But it smells so familiar. So this is what the container looks like. You can, I don't know if you can tell, but it's got like a scrubby texture to it. So it's got like sugary grains in here. I think it's sea salt actually, but I'm gonna go ahead and dip in and take some out. I don't know how much I need, so I'm gonna take a good amount. I'm gonna work it in my hands. It has like a gritty texture, like an exfoliant a little bit, but it's still very soft. It's not like a harsh grit to it, but you can definitely feel the texture. I'm going to show you up close what it kind of looks like too. You can see the texture in there. And I'm going to go ahead, my hair is damp, it is clean, and I'm just going to kind of run it through my hair. It feels a little strange, but if it detoxifies, I'm also going to like push it into my scalp as well because I want to detoxify my scalp. My scalp goes through a lot because I do bleach my hair. My scalp is fine right now, but on the back side of my head it's a little bit dry, so I want to kind of like, you know, break down a lot of those toxins and chemicals in my skin. Something that made me want to try this product in the first place though is because like I always think like when we take a shower our pores open up all over our body, we wash our face, our pores open up all over our body, and we clean out whatever's in there. I feel like, yeah, sure, we take a shower, it does that too, but you're mostly focusing on like cleaning your hair. You're not focusing on cleaning out your pores and your scalp. So I feel like maybe that's needed, and hopefully it like works out. Also, this product can dry out your hair just because it is like detoxifying and pulling stuff out of your hair. So I'm going to use a deep conditioner after I rinse this out of my hair. But working it in here, I just feel like the sugary stuff, you know? It feels kind of strange. But I also feel like my hair feels a little bit less wet. Maybe it's like doing stuff in here. So reading a little bit more about the product, it says gently exfoliate away stress, product buildup, which I'm sure I have a lot of, oil away and cover healthy hair, luscious hair, and I'm excited. Oh, it may help with dandruff as well and scalp acne. Ooh, so I don't have dandruff or scalp acne, but I do know someone who does have light dandruff, and I hope he doesn't mind me saying that. So I think a really good idea as well, because like I want to detoxify my scalp, but I know my boyfriend Adam has a really sensitive scalp. He does get dandruff. It's not like terrible or anything. I'm not trying to embarrass him, but like it just happens to people. And his scalp is super sensitive. So I'm thinking, since we have different hair types, I'm going to try it on him as well. I think that'd be a fun experiment. I hope you guys will like that. I'm going to include that in this video too, just to see if we both like it. I don't know how it's going to do for me yet. I can't really tell. But like it feels kind of funny. My hair color is coming off a little bit on my hands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this in my hair for like a couple minutes just to let it do its thing, kind of scrub it into my scalp some more. I'm going to go in the shower, rinse it out, leave a deep conditioner, mix in with some hair color in just because like need to freshen my color. And then we'll try it on Adam and I'll let you know what I think of it in my hair. Hello. So fresh out the shower. And I bleached my eyebrows a little bit. They look a little better now. I didn't do a deep conditioner, I just mixed in like some regular conditioner with my hair color for about 5 minutes just to give a little bit of something color in there because I needed it. I didn't really feel like my hair was that dry, but my hair in the back, like where it's like not as like soaked wet anymore, it feels very light. Like not as like heavy as my hair usually feels. That's why I usually try to blow dry my hair with like low heat. I think I'm just gonna let it air dry today because it feels a little bit kind of light. It doesn't feel heavy. And it's starting to dry really fast. Like maybe there's less product buildup in my hair, so my hair is drying faster because I just got the shower and the back of my hair is already starting to look dry, which is kind of weird and unexpected. So yeah, this is my hair right now. I can't tell too much of a difference except it feels lighter a little bit. And I'm not sure it's supposed to, but like it does. So yeah, I'll let you know what I think of it when my hair is like dry and back to normal. I'll let you know in the morning. Let me like wear it and feel it around for a little bit. Alright, so y'all saw me use it and what my hair looked like fresh out the shower. Of course, my hair looked an absolute mess because I don't believe in brushing my hair when it's wet. It takes out more of your hair and I don't like that, so I just let it kind of look messy until it dries or I blow dry it. So I also had Adam use it. And let me tell you my experience. So this is the second time after I washed my hair since using it. The first time it looked good, like my hair looked fine, but I wanted to test some things out. So it looked very fluffy. My hair felt lighter even after it was dry, everything. It felt much lighter and it still does even after I've washed it a second time. The thing I wanted to experiment with and why I didn't record this ending of the video immediately after like rinsing it out and having my hair dry is because I wanted to see if the product buildup would change my hair, as to like my hair gets dirty pretty fast. Like every other day I probably should be washing my hair. I do it every 3 days just because I want to like dry shampoo and not have my hair color come out. And my hair, my scalp and everything, it just, I don't know, my hair gets dirty really fast, more than usual. So I did an experiment where after I rinsed it out of my hair felt lighter. I was like, I wonder if because there's less crap in my hair, like excess crap in my hair, and my hair feels lighter, if my hair will be cleaner for longer. And it really was. So I went 4.5 days without washing my hair. I finally did this morning just so I would see if it looks like any different now that I washed it again. And honestly, my hair still feels lighter than it did before when I didn't try out this detox. So the thing I want to say is my hair was slightly frizzy after I got out the first wash and it dried. My hair was slightly frizzier than normal, but not bad. I think because I didn't do like a deep moisturizer afterwards, like I detoxed my hair and I just put in a little bit of conditioner afterwards for a couple minutes. I think if I did like a deep conditioner or anything like that afterwards, my hair was still pretty shiny. It just had a little bit of frizz to it. It would have been absolutely fine. Just a little frizz. It wasn't like anything dramatic, but I wanted to go ahead and say it because it was like what happened. My hair feels so much lighter. So I washed it again this morning. I didn't do the mask again. I just wanted to see if like it would still remain like lighter, and honestly it does. It feels lighter, it feels shinier. I don't know, like it feels good. I didn't really add any more color to my hair, so it's still like a weird color right now, but honestly I feel like my hair is a little fluffier than even when I usually just fresh wash my hair and it dries. It's not as heavy as it once was, and I feel like the frizziness isn't really present as much as it was the first time. Like my hair's always gonna be a little bit frizzy, it's just what it is. But honestly, my hair feels a little bit healthier, and it's got like a natural shine even at the roots up here. It's kind of hard to tell because of my hair color, but like my hair feels healthier. It doesn't feel like detoxed and like dry or anything. It feels pretty good. So when Adam tried it, because we have a different hair type, he still has minimal dandruff. It's not as bad. We started switching his shampoos recently, so his dandruff already has been lighter. I haven't really noticed too much on him since using this, and I asked him what he thought about it since we used it on him the other night, and he said his hair feels lighter afterwards. I didn't tell him my experience with it. I honestly was just like, here, put this in your hair, like tell me what you think. It might help with your dandruff. And he just said his hair felt lighter and softer. My hair personally doesn't feel like any softer or anything. It feels about the same softness. It feels like pretty strong and everything still, but his said his hair felt lighter and a little bit softer, so that's really good. That's his personal experience of it. We do have different hair types and everything, so I would love to know what you guys think of it if you've tried this. I cannot put my finger on what it smells like quite yet, but I'm pretty interested. A lot of Zion Health products are really good for you too. If you're not interested in this product in particular, there's so many other things on their website you can check out. I'll leave them linked at the top of the description box. Thank you, Zion Health, for sponsoring today's video and let me give my honest first impressions of this product. I actually really like it, and I'm going to order another one. It's only $19.99, so I'm like, this makes my hair feel lighter, less chemically, and it has like natural sea salts and natural ingredients in it. It's something I will definitely purchase again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.